Dear English PGs, greetings to all of you. Welcome to the platform of Fluency School of English to get ready for the race of PGT English examination. Fluency School of English is a wonderful diving platform for you to swim across the race of the PGT English examination. In this program, we are going to deal with the Act 3 of the play The Tempest. The points given here will help you to frame questions yourself. Almost all the important events of the act and the play have been presented. Hope you will enjoy the travel with me. Be with me until the last. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also don't fail to make your comments, suggestions and what you feel about this program. Feel free, best wishes. The Tempest, Suravadi, Act 3, Scene 1. Plays Prospero's cell. Ferdinand takes over Caliban's duties and carries wood. Ferdinand enjoys his labor because he loves Miranda. Miranda, thinking her father is away, tells Ferdinand to take rest. Miranda offers her assistance also. Ferdinand commands. Latin word Miranda means admiration. Ferdinand says, "Admire Miranda, indeed the top of admiration, what's dearest to the world." Miranda faces Ferdinand's face. Miranda remembers Prospero's instruction not to speak to Ferdinand. Miranda reveals Miranda that he is. That means he thinks his father has died, and if he has died, automatically he will be the king of Naples, he says. Miranda is unconcerned with Ferdinand's title. She is not so concerned with the position of Ferdinand, whether he is a king or a normal man. She doesn't think of it. He loves him only. Miranda asks him if he loves her. Ferdinand says yes. Miranda proposes marriage. Ferdinand accepts. Prospero learns all these and is happy that his wishes has come to reality. Act 3, Scene 2. Caliban, Trinculo and Stefano continue to drink and wander about the island. Stefano now refers to Caliban as a servant master and repeatedly orders him to drink. Caliban happily obeys. The men begin to quarrel. Stefano has now assumed the title of Lord of the Island. Stefano promises to hang Trinculo if Trinculo should mock his servant master. Invisible Ariel hears. Caliban is telling the men that he is subject to a tyrant, a sorcerer, that by his cunning hath cheated me of the island. Ariel begins to stir up trouble. Invisibly, Ariel says, "Thou liest." Caliban takes the Trinculo's diss. Trinculo protests that he said nothing. Caliban tells them of his desire to get revenge against Prospero. Ariel continues to interrupt, repeating, "Thou liest." Ariel's ventriloquizing results in Stefano's hitting Trinculo. Ariel looks on Caliban's plots against Prospero. Caliban tells them to take Prospero's magic book. Then it will be easy to kill Prospero and take away Miranda. Stefano will become the king of Ireland and Miranda will be Caliban's queen. Caliban assures them that Prospero will be asleep within half an hour. Ariel plays a tune on his flute and a tabor drum. Stefano relishes the thought of possessing the island kingdom, where I shall have my music for nothing. Stefano and Trinculo wonder at this noise. Then the men decide to follow the music to kill Prospero. Act 3, Scene 3. Alonso, Sebastian, Antonio, Gonzalo and the companion lords become exhausted in finding Ferdinand. Alonso gives up all hope of finding his son. Antonio whispers to Sebastian that Alonso's mental state will provide them with the best opportunity to kill the king later that evening. At this point, solemn and stage music fills the stage. A procession of spirits in several stage shape enter, bringing a banquet of food. The spirits dance about the table. They invite the King Alonso and his party to eat. The dance goes. Invisible Prospero enters. The men disagree at first about whether to eat, but Gonzalo persuades them. Just as the men are about to eat, a noise of thunder erupts. Ariel enters in the shape of a harpy. He claps his wings upon the table and the banquet vanishes. The men draw their swords. Ariel mocks the man for attempting to draw that swords. Ariel made it to feel heavy. Ariel calls himself an instrument of fate and destiny. Ariel accuses Alonso, Sebastian and Antonio for all deserts of Prospero's. Ariel tells them Ferdinand's missing is the revenge of the powers of nature and the sea. Ariel vanishes. The procession of spirit enters again and removes the banquet table. Invisible Prospero and applauds the work of Ariel. Prospero is satisfied that his enemies are now in his control. Alonso has heard the name of Prospero once more. He runs to drown himself. Sebastian and Antonio, meanwhile, decide to fight with the spirits. Thank you, dear. That's all the gist of Act 3.